All right.
Let me know when you're ready.
Roger. All right, today's the 24th of February. We got Jerry and Wendy visiting us, and as luck would have it, the Shangri-La spot that we had, we have to move from because it was sold. Granted, it was only sold for $129,000, but nonetheless, we have to move now. So we're going to take you on a ride in the park, searching for our place. So hang on. Sue will probably have to fast forward it.
There's some bikers coming up on the passenger side.
Roger, tell me when I'm clear. You're going to tell me when I'm clear, right?
Okay, hang on, because now there's a golf cart.
Well, I can hit the golf cart and not have a problem.
Oh, just stop. You got more points anyways. Okay, it's all clear.
Am I going to clear the post on the driver's side?
On the driver's side, you've got at least 6 feet. On the passenger side, oh, you're clear.
Hop aboard, matey.
Perfect, like a professional.
Alright, so I told our guests on camera that we got kicked out of our spot, and now we got to go find another one, and they're going to go on a journey for us while we look for it. So we're not exactly sure where it is. We know what number it is, but until we find it, we don't know what's up. So I'm going to take my sunglasses off so I can actually see. Myles is acting pretty good here. Proud of you, buddy. Started up. Air conditioning works on the dashboard.
I think Myles is glad to be moving after a month and a half.
Yeah. Now, we got a big decision up here. Do we follow the one-way or do we break the law?
Let's be rebels.
What do you think? Break the law?
Break the law.
You know, why should I wear my tires out for that turn if I can break the law and save some money? That's what I'm going to do. Alright. So, is there any lots right by the garbage cans here for us?
Only if you want to rough it.
Alright. Alright, take this on it and turn this off. That's irritating you. Alright.
Taking your wide turns?
Yeah, sort of. More
Here,
worried about my collar right now.
Like just drive.
Yeah. Gotta get my collar right.
Stay on the pavement.
Honey, I don't think it's right yet. Here, you gotta click. There we go. Alright. Alright. Sheesh. Now, believe it or not, I'm not even going 10 miles an hour. And the speed limit's 15. Just seems too fast. This lady here rides her bike just like that.
Twice a day, every day.
It probably 50 laps.
Here's our town.
Well, the brakes still work. That's good.
These people use a sidewalk. Oh. Good job.
They're waving to us because they're going, finally.
Those renters are gone.
Finally, the cheeseheads are gone.
Little do
We
they
were
know.
doing okay until we brought out the cheeseheads. That did us in. All right, floor it.
Whoa, Marco, please. You want to take it out?
No. It's 5 o'clock. They're closing.
Let's go around underneath the tiki guys.
Yeah.
Oh.
Follow the Jeep. And hope I don't have to back up.
It's like somebody's getting a tiki hut.
Are you looking, honey, to see the sign where it says we got our name on the spot? They said.
Oh my god. Big white turns, not wiping anything out back there.
Yeah, actually, I forgot about looking back there. Thanks for reminding me.
Monaco, please. White turns, please.
I'm not being funny. I kind of forgot about it.
Yeah.
Here's our buddies.
Wisconsin flag.
Betty and Mike, right?
Yep, Betty and Mike. And the Airstream.
Yep. Lot 19.
So you see where that speed limit sign is 14?
Yeah.
We just passed one, they're pretty close to our mirrors.
Okay. Any spots?
Yeah,
What are we supposed to do? Just grab one? Let's take one with a tiki hut this time. 10 points for each dog, 5 for the little one. We didn't like my driving there already pulling. No, this is directly diagonal
From the park.
from the park proper. So we just went 1/2 of the park.
Yeah.
You know, we got to keep driving until they call us with the numbers, so we could be doing this for hours. So we might have to speed this tape up. When we're done here, hon, I so need to go swimming.
I have
Is this the Little Lake already?
Yep.
We're running out of lots. Did we remember to take our sewer hose? Wait, what about our bikes? Did we forget our bikes?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What about the table
What about the grill?
and the grill?
Fire pit. I forgot everything.
Oh my god.
This is the road we were down before.
This is the same road we were on. I don't know where we're going.
Let's just take the one there.
Let's just take this one right next to where we were. What do you think?
Yeah. It's empty.
All right.
And look at that. Our bikes are there too.
All right. You want to get out and give me my walkie-talkie?
Turn it on.
Remember, 4 feet from the edge. Watch my front, too.
okay. So you're saying I could move over? Okay, that's about the 4-foot mark. It's 3 bricks and then some, right? So I should move over that way about a foot. Alright, let me straight. I'm going to back up and go straight, so go back there before I go on the road.
Okay, and we got to watch the bay door problem we always have.
There is no problem. You got plenty of room. You are right on the line, like perfect.
Okay, now remember you're on camera, honey, so wave.